You want to help mommy? No. No, don't pull that. That's mommy's. You want to say hi? Say hi. Say hi. Come here. Say hi. Can you say hello? Say hi. Hi, everyone. Hi, guys, and welcome back to the Lazy Girl's Kitchen. Today, I am having family over, and I made a cake that is a no-bake cake. It's a saltine-based cake. You make a custard, but that's the only cooking you do. Sorry, he just hit the tripod. And you actually use sweetened condensed milk in it, and you cook it to a caramel. I didn't show you how to make it in this video, but I'm going to link a video down below that shows you how I do it. And it's easy, it's delicious. Excuse me. I'm going to go because this wild child is needing mommy right now. Okay, you want to say bye? So, say bye-bye. Say subscribe. Subscribe to my mommy's channel. And like my mommy's videos. Alright guys, thanks. Bye.